What's up guys, Jason with Little Guy Big Reviews, and today we are reviewing my first as seen on TV product, and it's called the Egglettes, which is this handy dandy little gadget right here. You can do hard-boiled eggs with no shells. I've never done this before and I'm really excited, so stay tuned. Alright guys, today we're going to be reviewing the Egglettes. This is my first as seen on TV product. It says there's 3 simple steps: crack, boil, and pop. So the first instructions say is to wash all of these on the insides with soap and let them dry. So let's do that right now. Instruction says to wash them with soap and water, which that's what we're going to do. All right. Okay. Now once these things finish drying, we'll go ahead and put it all together, get the eggs and boil the water, and then we'll go ahead and continue on the testing. So step 2 either says to coat it with Pam spray or you can coat it with oil. If you do coat it with oil, you want to put it in here and you want to just twist it around so it coats the whole thing. Okay, so the 2 on the left, we're going to coat with Pam spray. It says to give it 3 bursts spray. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Get that one. And here we go. 1, 2, and 3. So these 2 are going to be with the Pam spray. And then these 2 on the right are going to be with the olive oil. And with this one, it says on the olive oil to put a little bit in. And then you want to just kind of twirl it, which this one might be too much in here. So we're just going to pour some into the next one. This one, we'll just go ahead and pour this in here, and then we'll coat this as well. There we go. These all seem coated now, I think. Also, when you do crack the egg on it, you want to fill it to the fill line right here. Hopefully you can see it. This is where you want to fill the egg to, no higher than that. Let's go ahead and do it. One of the things they said in the instructions you can also do is like a recipe is you can kind of make like a little omelet. So I'm going to chop up some of this tomato, then I'm going to chop up some of this spinach and a little bit of kale. We're going to put it in one that's coated with the avocado oil and one that's coated with the Pam spray, and see if there's any kind of difference in texture or in taste. So I'm just going to chop up a little bit of this because these things are really small. We'll just try this right here. Just a little bit. Okay, this is probably more than we need, but we're gonna work with what we have. And then I'm gonna get my Iron Chef on with the spinach, and then I think that's good. I'm gonna label the lid with this one. This has the avocado oil in it, and this is just gonna be the plain old egg. So we're going to go ahead and put this with green to match avocado. And we'll go ahead and put that on this lid and on this one right here. And this other one is the one that we sprayed with the Pam. And since the Pam can is yellow, I'm going to mark this with a solid yellow sticker. These 2 will be the regular hard-boiled eggs. Now this one also has the avocado oil in it. We're going to label this one with a half green, half white sticker. This is going to be the omelet style one. That way we know, because this one is going to be the most delicious one ever. Alright. And then this one is the Pam spray. So we're going to mark this one with the yellow white sticker. This is also going to be the omelet. Now, we're going to go ahead and put these aside and start cracking the eggs and fill them up to the fill line, not above that because they'll overflow. Now on step 3, this is where we're going to get the water. We're going to boil in here. We're going to put about 3 to 4 inches and we're going to bring it to a rolling boil. I'll let you know when the rolling boil comes and we'll show you. So let's go ahead and get to it. What we're going to do right now is bring this to a rolling boil. We're going to put it on high and then we're going to come back and check it. Alright, I'm going to scoot some of this stuff out of the way. We're going to grab the 2 solid egg ones, which is this one and this one. And I'm going to grab an egg. We're going to give it a crack. Hopefully I don't drop any shell in there, but I shouldn't because I'm pretty amazing at cracking eggs. At least that's what I tell myself. Now you can see right here, we are just below the fill line. So that is good. We're going to go ahead and put the top on this one. This is the Pam spray. Grab my other egg right here and go ahead and give it a crack. And again, I am amazing. There is no shell in there at all. Nice. This is the avocado oil. Now this one is going to be our omelet style one. Let's go ahead and do that. Here's the other egg. Give it a crack. If you guys are as good at opening eggs as I am, go ahead and leave a comment below and let me know how long it took you to do that. So now on this one, I'm gonna just throw a little bit of spinach in there, a little bit of tomato. We're also gonna put a little bit of cheese to make this real omelet style. Okay, so that's that one. We got one more to do. Let's grab another egg. This is going to be the last egg. Oops. Oh man, I almost dropped some shell on that one. Again, a little bit of spinach, a little bit of tomato, little bit of cheese. Get it in there. Once again, I'm gonna shake it like a salt shaker. And there we go. They're all set. Let's go ahead and check to see if the water is at a rolling boil and drop these things in there. This is what a rolling boil looks like. Be careful of the steam. You can see as the water, it has that rolling effect. That means that the water's hot enough, it's good to go. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the 2 regular eggs. This is the Pam spray, the avocado oil. We're gonna just drop them in here, just like that. Then we're also gonna get the omelet avocado oil and the omelet Pam spray. We're gonna set them right in here. Then we're gonna go ahead and get the timer, and we're gonna put it for, it says 13 to 16 minutes. We're gonna put it at the 16, but we're gonna come back before that and check. So in roughly about 10 minutes, we'll come back, take a look, and then 13 minutes, we'll see. And if not, we'll wait the whole 16 minutes and we'll come back. The instructions also do say that you can put a lid on these, but it does suggest that if you do, that it has vents on it. This cap does have vents, as you can see right here, but I want to just test it out, the lid off, and see how it cooks that way. We got a few more minutes and we're going to come back and take a look. The 16 minutes is up. I think these things are done. Now we need to let these things cool off, so I'm going to go ahead, set them right here. I'm going to pull one at a time. Avocado, Pam spray, avocado, and the last Pam spray. I'm going to give these about 5 or 10 minutes to cool down. Then we're going to pop them out of these things, and then we're going to cut into them, see how they look, and then we're going to do a taste test. We're going to test out the avocado oil first. Cut it open. All right, look at that. That looks really good. Check out the yolk right here. Nice. Looks really good. I'm going to just go ahead and cut a little piece, and we're going to just do a quick little taste. Now keep in mind, I didn't season this with anything, so I don't know what it tastes like at all. It tastes good to me. I mean, it could use seasoning, but it's definitely cooked all the way. Now this is going to be the Pam spray regular hard-boiled egg. Looks cooked all the way just like the other one with the avocado oil. Gonna ahead, take another taste. They taste no different. At least so far, The difference between the Pam and the avocado, no difference at all. They're both fully cooked, which I was kind of skeptical on. So now we're gonna go ahead and try the omelet style with the avocado oil on it. All right, I'm just gonna take a little piece. This has pretty much everything in it. The tomato, the cheese, and the spinach. Okay, I can definitely taste everything. That's really good. So now we'll go ahead and try, this is the Pam Spray omelet. Again, it has the cheese, tomatoes, and spinach in there. Let's take a test. This one, for some reason, the one with the Pam Spray, it tastes more moist to me. The avocado oil one right here tastes a little bit drier to me, but both really good. I'll actually probably use these egglets more to hard boil these. I like how it keeps them together. You can also mix it, make it as an omelet on all different types of stuff. The taste is really good. I would definitely next time add some salt, maybe some pepper. I was very worried they might not cook all the way, and they did. You can tell the yolk is dry. These things are really good. Let's go ahead and clean this up. I think we put these things to the test really well. We use, as it suggested, Pam Spray and oil. Really not too much difference. This one we did with the Pam Spray and the omelet style was a little more moist than the avocado. I think that maybe one just cooked a little bit longer than the other. So with that aspect, I don't think it's really a difference if you use spray or oil. Now, what I do like about these is the no shell. You don't have to peel it back to get to the egg. These, you just pull them out, you pop them down, and you're good to go. Especially if you meal prep. I like that there's different recipes that you can use if you're meal prepping and on the go. For me and my kids, we particularly like the omelet, especially in testing this out. Really enjoy it. We find these very accessible and easy to use. Let me know in the comment section below if you use these, if you enjoy them, and what recipes you use. And I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.